Welcome to my channel. Today guys, I'm going to cook oven baked chicken pieces. So I've cut two large onions. I'm going to put a layer of onions on the oven dish, just like that. Just put a layer of the onions, and then putting a layer, and then I am going to use my kitchen tongs. I'm going to put the chicken pieces just like that. So I bought these chicken pieces. They're quite cheap. They're already cut, so they're just chicken pieces, chicken thighs, and chicken legs, and some chicken wings. In a small bowl, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a teaspoon of paprika, and then a teaspoon of cayenne seasoning. I'm going to add a tablespoon of chicken seasoning, a teaspoon of black pepper, and then I'm going to mix this together. I'm going to add a tablespoon of tomato paste, and probably 2.5 tablespoons of tomato paste, and then I'm mixing. I'm adding a little bit of boiling water to make a little bit of a sauce. Now that I've made this sauce, I'm going to pour this on my chicken and bake in the oven. Alright, I'm pouring this marinating mix that I made. Just pour it on top of the chicken. I'm going to bake in the oven for about 2 hours. Oven baked chicken pieces. So I've made this chicken. It's quite a lazy way of cooking chicken. It looks good. Let's see.